How do you actually make money? Which was the original question. There are several smart strategies that we can explore. Let us start with the first one, the classic no brainer option, rental properties. Buying an apartment, villa, or even a commercial space and renting it out for the long term can provide that steady stream of passive income we talked about. Now, location is key here in Dubai. Think about areas with high demand from expats or the growing families. Then there's the booming market for vacation rentals. With Dubai being a top global tourist destination, platforms like Airbnb and others make it easier than ever to rent out your property on a short term basis. Now, short term rentals generate even higher income than traditional long term rentals, especially during peak tourist seasons. Just make sure you are aware of and comply with all the local regulations for holiday homes here in Dubai. Next is house flipping. So, it is another strategy for those looking for potentially quicker returns. Now, flipping requires buying a property that might be a bit rundown, renovating it to modern standards, and then selling it for a profit. So, this requires a good understanding of the Dubai property market, renovation costs, and what buyers are looking for. Given the thriving off plan market, a lot of my investors buy during pre launch and sell it off right before delivery, pocketing the appreciation without having to pay the entire property cost. Flipping an off plan property is a smart strategy which requires deeper planning. So, if you need one, please ping me on my number and I will be glad to help you out. Now, do not forget about commercial real estate. Investing in office spaces, retail units, or warehouses can potentially yield higher rental income compared to residential properties, and leases are often longer term, providing more stability. Dubai's strong business sector makes this an attractive option. For those who prefer a more hands off approach, real estate investment trust REITs are worth considering. These are companies that own and operate income generating real estate like malls or office buildings. You can buy shares in these REITs and they distribute a portion of their profits as dividends. Dubai has its own growing REIT market, offering a way to invest in large scale properties without the direct responsibility of management. So, the next one is crowdfunding. It is a more recent but increasingly popular option. This allows you to pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects, often with a lower initial investment than buying an entire property yourself. There are platforms operating right here in Dubai that connect investors with developers and projects. Finally, land subdivision can be a long term wealth building strategy. This involves buying a larger plot of land and dividing it into smaller parcels, which can then be sold individually or can be developed. It requires understanding Dubai's land regulations and zoning laws, but it can significantly increase the value of your initial investment over time, and it requires deeper pockets. Now, if you are thinking about diving into the real estate market, where do you even begin? First, my humble suggestion will be to educate yourself. Understand the different investment strategies, the current market trends in Dubai, and the legal and financial aspects involved. There are plenty of resources available from online articles and forums to local real estate seminars and even professionals like me. Now, next, assess your financial situation. Determine how much capital you have available to invest and then understand your risk tolerance. Real estate generally is a long term investment, so it is important to have a solid financial foundation. Then, set clear goals. What do you hope to achieve with real estate investing? Are you looking for passive income, long term capital growth, or a bit of both? Having clear objectives will help you focus your efforts and choose the right kind of strategies. Finally, do your market research, explore different areas within Dubai, understand property values, rental yields, and potential for future growth. Look at economic indicators, infrastructure developments, and population trends. Trust me, all of these factors can influence your investment decisions. Investing in Dubai real estate offers a fantastic opportunity to build wealth and secure your financial future. Whether you are drawn to the steady income from rentals, the potential for property appreciation, or the excitement of flipping houses, trust me, it can get addictive. There is a strategy that can align with your goals. Just remember to do your homework, understand the market, and take informed decisions. The potential rewards in this dynamic city are truly significant, and a lot of people create wealth.